Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome, welcome. If you're new here, glad to have you. Glad you stopped in on something you like to watch, and I hope you watch more videos and peek around on my channel. There's lots of stuff there. And maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. That's always wonderful. And if you're returning, welcome back. I have another video for you. So today I have a couple of items here to show you from Diamond Art Gift. Thank you, Diamond Art Gift, for letting me pick out a couple things to show everybody. Okay, so let me start with this painting, because first of all, when I got this out of the bag, I was like, okay, pretty sure that's not what I meant to order. Anyhow, so let me explain. Many of these companies have what I call multi-listings. They'll have 3, 4, 5, 8. I mean, they have a lot of different things under one heading, okay? And if you don't click on the right one, you might get something that you didn't really intend on ordering, which I think is what happened here with me. When I send my order over, I just sent the listing over for multiple items and I didn't specify which one I wanted. So make sure if you have a multi-listing that you're clicking on the correct one, and make sure that, like, when you click on it underneath, that's what shows up on the top, okay? Just to make sure you get the right stuff. Now, that being said, it's a cool picture. I mean, it's not that I don't like it. It's just I know it's not what I ordered. But we got this cute little Pegasus here just flying through the sky. So, I mean, I like it. It's just I wanted to give you that tip because I do it from time to time and I wanted you to avoid it. So we have, looks like probably 8 rhinestones and 4 special drills. I mean, look at this. All up these wings right here. We got all these special drills right here and some there. Got some big ones. That's kind of cool. So it's just a really pretty, like, I don't know, what's it? Icy fire and ice. I don't know, and that's what it reminds me of. Very orangey colors, and then all the pretty, like, pastel bluey purple colors. I like it. All right, so here's what their toolkit looks like. You know what those look like. Well, they're a dime a dozen, right? Let's get into the drills, and we'll see what colors we get, what those special drills might look like, and all that good stuff. All right, here we go. Like I said, it is very like fire and ice, if you ask me. Like, look at that orange. Look at that orange. That is like a deep, dark orange. And then we have some yellowy gold colors. This is like a gray. And then here comes the icy part, the blues. 1 blue, 2 blues, and a clear. Oh, and a little bit of purple. Now, here's some of those drills that are going to go on the wing. Isn't that pretty? Those red pearly teardrops, some orange marquees, some clear marquees, and there's those big ones. Okay, there we go. I mean, yeah, that's what I think of, just a fire and ice situation, right? Oranges and blues and purple. Love it. Okay, there's the painting. Now, of course, we got something in a box, because, you know, I like to get something in a box every time. I try to get like a painting and something off canvas, you know, when I order stuff. Okay, here we go. The foam. Love the foam. I'm so glad they do that. So happy they do that. Drills, toolkit, and a stand. So here's our little stand for our piece. Our toolkit, of course. Our drills. All right. And then here is the piece. Are you ready to see it? I love this. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? The little backyard shed situation going on there. Tons and tons of sunflowers. I love it. There's my wheelbarrow. Got to wheel my stuff around in my wheelbarrow. Do. And we got 1 chicken. Just 1 chicken? Where's the rest of the chickens? There should be about 10 chickens. Okay, so maybe there wasn't enough room for 10 chickens. But isn't that cute? It is so cute. I love that. All right, look at the back of this thing. Look how pretty the back is. No drills on the back. And this is with the film on it still. Okay, let me show you something. If you have not seen like a back of one of these when you pull the film off, sure. I just cut my nails yesterday. Okay. Look how shiny it is. Look how pretty and shiny that is. I love it. Absolutely love it. So it's pretty from the front or the back. Either way. Now look, I mucked it all up. Anyhow, it's cute. Super, super cute. I think it's adorable. I love it. Love it so much. All right. I think I've probably had something like that or that one in multiple carts. I don't even know how many times, but finally got one. Got the little chicken guy. All right, here we go. We have really pretty lime green rhinestones, yellowy gold, gray, and clear. That's it for the rhinestones, folks. What more do you need? Green, yellow, gray, clear. And here's our special draws. Look at them. Pretty golds for all of the sunflowers and the centers of the sunflowers. I love it. All right, so that's what I got from Diamond Art Gift. Thank you so much to them, and thank you so much to you for watching the video. I hope you watch more videos. Hit the like button and subscribe button. Super thanks, shares, all of those things that help out a creator. And I will see you shortly in another video. This one was short and sweet and right to the point. Bada bing, bada boom, we're done. All right. Thanks for spending a couple minutes with me. I'll see you soon. Bye, you guys.